place I cling to. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone. Waiting for you. Wait until you realize. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone. Waiting for you. Wait until you realize.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. so much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky. Apply to the forces above us like. Keep holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky. Applying to the forces above this life. So much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky. Apply to the forces above us like. Keep holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky. Applying to the forces above this life. So much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. So much but a light from a falling sky. Apply to the forces above us. Keep holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky. Applying to the forces above this life.
Windy City never looked so clean. I got 2 shorts down the road from the beach. She worked 2 shifts, then I swing up the street. I know she knows just where to go. She been acting foreign when I'm miles away, but in the city she gon' have an attitude change, yeah. Doesn't matter what the time is or place. She knows I know just where to go, yeah. She got options, I'm not up here often. I know it cost me nothing for me to hit her up when I know she wanna dance. I got all night, up and left her friends. They didn't pick a fight, cause she know how to get it when she wanna. She know how to get it when she wanna. I've been out late, she didn't think twice. Try to look away, I caught her from the side. She can say the word and I'm gonna. Yeah, she know how to get it when she wanna. Got a spot for the hangover date. Turning on quick call with the coffee to chase, yeah. Still drunk but we're feeling the same. She knows I know just where this goes. She's too cute, never owes me, yeah. It's too soon but it's always something. Conversation is not complicated. I see her light up every time I say you wanna dance. I got all night, up and left her friends. They didn't pick a fight, cause she know how to get it when she wanna. She know how to get it when she wanna. I've been up late, she didn't think twice. Try to look away, I caught her from the side. She can say the word and I'm gonna. Yeah, she know how to get it when she wanna. Yeah, she know how to get it when she wanna. Yeah, she know how to get it when she wanna. Yeah, she know how to get it when she wanna. Yeah, she know how to get it when she wanna.
Bom, gente, cozinha finalizada por aqui. E tá uma chuva, gente do céu, tá? Desde ontem vendo aqui, então tá tudo úmido ainda, ó. Passei um pano hoje, não lavei, porque se eu lavar não ia secar, ó. Aí tá úmido, passei um pano bem quente, com água quente, pra poder secar mais rápido, mas tá bem molhado. Aí eu limpei aqui o fogão, né? Lavei a louça com vocês. Limpei o armário também. Deixa eu ir lá de pertinho. Ó, limpei aqui. Dei uma ajeitada aqui também, ó. Falta a louça pra guardar, que vocês estão vendo aqui, né? Limpei a geladeira também, por fora. E o chão, né? A bancada aqui também, ó. Hoje eu coloquei a minha capa de galão, só que eu não coloquei o jogo hoje, como tá chovendo, aí eu não quis colocar, eu coloquei esse tapete aqui, ó, vou mostrar pra vocês. Ó, coloquei esse daqui, ó, ele é bem velhinho já, faz tempo que eu tenho. Ó, daí eu não achei o outro, só coloquei esse mesmo, vou ver se eu acho onde que tá, né, porque ele é um joguinho. E coloquei o caminho ali também. Ah, esse daqui, gente, é um tapete, só que eu não usei no chão ainda, daí eu coloquei aqui até usar no chão, né? Na hora que eu usar no chão, daí eu não coloco mais. Tô com dó de colocar no chão. E tá assim a casinha, então. Ah, o quarto eu mostrei pra vocês, né? Também, que eu já limpei. E vou ver que eu consigo gravar mais pra vocês aí.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Wake up, every day feels boring. The same thing, routine in the morning. Grew up too fast without warning. And when it rains, it's pouring. I got dreams, big dreams. I wanna do big things, but I just can't seem to put it all together. I just wanna be seen. I'm jumping ship, I'm a diving. Middle of the ocean, swimming till I find it. I see an island, out ahead, filled with things that I've wanted since I was a kid. Swim to it with every muscle I've got, sucking down water in my lungs till I cough. But I won't give up, I'll never stop till I wash up on the sand or my heart finally stops. I will be the best, headed out for change, I just started on my quest. Yeah, the world will know my name, I'm excited, I'm obsessed. No one in my way but myself and a test. Yeah, I will be the best, yeah, I will be the best. Life is just a game, I'll be playing till I rest. I'll be there to claim my own spot among the best. Deep within my mind, I'll put all my fear to rest. Cause I will be the best, yeah, I will be the best that I can. I gotta study, I'll cram, I gotta make up a plan to give me some kind of chance. I gotta enter a new mode or else I'll get KO'd. My life's at a crossroad, I'm ready to reload. I gotta learn some kind of lesson from my past. I made mistakes, but I learned how to react. I love the chase, but I need a new path to have a chance to get what I wanna grab. A good life has a good purpose, something that makes everything that you're doing worth it. Something with a bigger meaning that's under the surface, cause that's what's gonna keep you working. It's a journey to make it, I got a life in the making. I choose how I'm gonna shape it, I got new lights in rotation. I flip a switch, I'm fixated, I'm sick of patience and waiting.
Bom, gente, mostrar aqui fora pra vocês, né? E eu coloquei esse prato aqui na mesa, porque a minha gata tá arranhando aqui, ó, o vidro, e eu tava com um caminho, né? Aí eu tirei caminho, não, o tapete, mas eu não usei como tapete, eu fiz como caminho. Mas a minha gata tá arranhando o vidro, aí eu coloquei esse plástico, ó. Tá meio amassadinho, mas vai ficar aqui. A bancada tá limpa. Aqui, gente, só tem essa panela aqui de arroz doce pra poder lavar. E a assadeira, né, que eu fiz frango assado hoje, então, ficou sobrecoxa assada, daí ficou a assadeira pra lavar. O fogão também, ó, já limpei, ó. Aí tá essa baguncinha aqui, né, que não tem onde guardar. Aqui o armarinho, ó, deixa eu mostrar pra vocês, ó. A gente colocou papel de parede, né, na metade da parede, ó, pra ficar parecendo mais limpinho. E vai ter piso aqui na área, gente, daqui uns dias vai ter piso aqui também, ó. Vai ficar bem melhor, né, pra limpar. Aqui a gente colocou esses nichos que tava ali sem usar. Colocamos aqui e tá arrumadinho, né, gente, na medida do possível, né. Ó, e temos tudo isso de roupa que eu lavei e não tem onde pôr, porque tá chovendo. Ó, o tempo super fechado, chovendo pra caramba aqui. Então não dá pra pôr a roupa, né, e tem um monte pra lavar de novo.
Destiny is awaiting. I will be the best, headed out for change, I just started on my quest. Yeah, the world will know my name, I'm excited, I'm obsessed. No one in my way but myself and a test. Yeah, I will be the best, yeah, I will be the best. Life is just a game, I'll be playing till I rest. I'll be there to claim my own spot among the best.
Deep within my mind, I'll put all my fear to rest. Cause I will be the best, yeah, I will be the best. This life is a journey worth taking. Every breath in it is sacred. It gets hard and frustrating, but trust me, you just gotta embrace it. Cause what's a journey without enemies? You need some friends, a foe, and an identity. You need an arc, a battle, a little tensity. Create a little bit of energy. I know we don't start the same, but life ain't fair, that won't change. You can't expect that from games, yeah. You might be worse off than others, but better off than another. So just move forward, discover, yeah. What you like, what you need, what you see. Every little thing that you wanna be. Figure out how others get it, and respect it. And don't give up till you perfect it. Well, here I go, how I get there, I'll figure out on my own. But no matter what, I'll be putting on a show. So watch out, and watch me grow. I will be the best, headed out for change, I just started on my quest. Yeah, the world will know my name, I'm excited, I'm obsessed. No one in my way but myself and a test. Yeah, I will be the best, yeah, I will be the best. Life is just a game, I'll be playing till I rest. I'll be there to claim my own spot among the best. Deep within my mind, I'll put all my fear to rest. Cause I will be the best, yeah, I will be the best. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Bom, gente, passando aqui para finalizar o vídeo com vocês. Espero muito que vocês gostem do vídeo. Se vocês gostarem, gente, não esquece de deixar aquele like para fortalecer aí o canal, né, e o vídeo. Deixe um comentário também. Aqui, gente, tá muita chuva, muita, sabe? Começou ontem e hoje choveu o dia todo. Ainda tem previsão de chuva pra amanhã. Então minha área tá cheia de roupa. Nossa, tá um caos. E hoje eu consegui dar um pega então no meu banheiro bem pegado. Aqui na cozinha e no meu quarto. E lá fora deu um tapa só. Mas eu consegui ajeitar bastante coisa aqui. Bom, se vocês gostarem. Então é isso, gente. E comenta aí se na cidade de vocês tá chovendo também. Porque aqui tá bastante. Bom, então é isso. Um grande beijo pra vocês e até o próximo vídeo. Tchau!